So today we're going to be talking about annealing 3D prints, as I am annealing carbon fiber filament, which is PA612 CF15 in oil. I previously had this sitting on top of my hotbed at 95 degrees Celsius, and I was just had the print sitting down there. Just tried to dry out a little bit, and I had this piece of metal over it, tried to capture some of the heat and tried to aerate it throughout the whole print. Then I needed to oil anneal it, and that's where I came up with the idea of using this oven pan, which is glass. So it's already ready for high temperatures. And I used Pennzoil 5W30 high mileage oil as the flash point, and the smoke point is well above what the 3D print can handle. So I put this glass directly on the hotbed. I turned the hotbed up to 95 degrees Celsius. These plastics are more or less rated for about 90, 95, 99. And so I have ran it up to 95 and it was okay. I fill it up with oil, and depends on the print and how much oil I have in there. It does need to be lifted up somehow. So I use this clip to lift it up enough. That way the oil covers the whole print. Depends on how big your print is. An issue I find with these bags though, with the zipper, if you have it laying on the side, the oil will seep out the side right here, and it doesn't get a full seal. So I prefer using the Ziploc baggies where you, I don't know what those are called right now, but you just clip them without using a zipper, and they have a better seal on them. I do suggest pushing out some air before you zip it shut, as increasing the temperature will increase the air pressure inside there, just because it heats up and expands. I have annealed a couple products with this, and it seems to be working pretty well. After I get done annealing it in the oil, I pull it back out, let it drip some of the oil off, and then I put it back on the hot plate with the glass, and so I just sit there and let it heat up. That way it sheds some of the oil out of it, so your parts are not just covered in oil. And after that, I just put it somewhere else to rest. That way the rest of the oil will also saturate into the other areas that it doesn't need to, and it will cool down. Just like steak, fluid separates itself back into the steak when you get it off the oven and starts cooling down. It kind of does the same thing within the 3D print. So it goes to its areas of which you would like to go. And that is how I anneal 3D prints in oil on my 3D printer hotbed.